Hey everyone, my name is Kevin. Welcome back. Today we're smoking beef tri-tip, one of my favorite things. Now this doesn't take as long. I am not cooking this thing through. I'm gonna get it so it's nice, medium rare in the middle. I still get all that floky, smoky flavor incorporated into it. And I'm gonna show you how simple this is. It's one of my favorite cuts on the smoker, and I'm gonna show you why. All right, all you're gonna need is salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. I've got them pre-mixed in this container. Hold on to these. When you buy your spices in this, I recommend doing that. Keep these containers, wash them out, and put your ratios in here. It keeps things simple. I got a 3-to-1 pepper to salt, like always with beef, and then I've added a little garlic powder in there as well. For this one, I'm also gonna use the Pit Boss Southwest Spice, give it a little bit of a kick. But you can go with just this. Beef loves salt and pepper, so feel free to just leave it at that. A little bit of a shout out here to Prairie Belle Garden Center or Greenhouse here in Morden. They hooked me up with these beautiful plants. We've already started our garden, but I decided I'd stop in there, and they hooked me up with some really cool stuff like cinnamon basil, mojito mint, orange mint, and they're just epic. So I'm gonna incorporate that into dinner somehow today. And these carrots are already grown. It's only May, and they're rainbow carrots. But anyway, I digress. Back to the beef. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our salt and pepper and just liberally cover it like we would our brisket or short ribs. All the sides. Simple game. That's done. You can rub it around. Now, if you do this a day at a time, better. Leave it in the fridge overnight. But you don't have to. A little bit of Southwest. Now, not as much of this. Just a little bit. Give it a nice coat. And you're ready to go on the smoker. I'm gonna smoke this at 225 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're just gonna watch temps. I am not a believer in time. Don't listen to Google or whatever when they tell you it takes this many hours. It's not true. Just probe the thing and watch your temps. That is where you want it to be, or that is what you want to do, and you'll get it to where you want it to be. If you just base it off times, you're gonna run into an overcooked piece of meat, and it's not gonna go over because it's gonna be dried out, and nobody wants that. So, smoker time, all right? Time to slice in. Tri-tip, smoked, all in the Pit Boss. To internal temp of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for my family. Personally, I'd go to 140, 135 for myself, but this is the way they like it, and it is glorious. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for our next one, and don't forget to subscribe. Oh, maybe give a thumbs up to this video. It's a small ask, but it goes a long way. Thank you. What do you say, Jay?
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.